That gives me a lot of motivation, like I need motivation, right, to talk to you. See the strength of this, see the power of this particular room now. Can you feel the power?
Yes.
There's so much flooded with a lot of knowledge to share and care, right? So here comes the things. So I thank Sir first of all, right? He has come with one of the brilliant topic of the day, of the, you can say, for the time, right? How many of you all really know what is upskilling and reskilling? I want this little bit, whatever I'm going to talk about 15-20 minutes should be very much interactive, okay? Let us talk to each other, right? Yes? Whatever it is right, wrong, all said and done. But I need you all to speak as well. Okay, fine. Before I start with that, how many of you know what is reskilling and upskilling? Sir has already given you the hint now. Sir has already explained you what is reskilling and what is important. Is it really required? Yes? If you know yes, then you should know what exactly it is. Right? I got a good answer, yes? Yes, it was. So what is that now? Can you tell me? Sorry? Updating skills, okay. For whatever new skills or maybe the ones which is prevailing, we are going to implement that things. Yes, it is upgrading and reskilling. So you remember when we were in our school days, our teacher or our ma'am used to tell us, A is for apple, right? A is for apple, right? Everybody teacher has said the same. A for क्या है? Apple है, right? हम लोग घर पे चलते थे, हम घर पे होते थे मैम ने बोला A is for apple, हम मम्मी कुछ और बोलते तो हम लोग बोलते थे कि नहीं, you're wrong. मैम ने क्या बोला है? A is only for apple, right? A is only for apple. But if I say you that now, I am also faculty, you are a student, right? If you are faculty at the end of the day, A is only for apple. Will you agree to that? That time you were so adamant to say कि नहीं मम्मा आप गलत हो, right? कि मम्मा आप गलत हो, मेरी मैम सही है, तो उन्होंने ये बोला है. But now if I tell you this thing, कि A is not only for apple, right? A is for, at this time and A is for us?
AI.
AI. Thank you, sir. You are taking that cup from my hand now. Yes, A is for, come on.
Assets.
Assets. Wonderful, come on. Yes, this is what I want. A is for. A is for. Adjustments, yes. See, I can get that sense, from where the kind of answers are coming. Sir is looking at how I'll make my institute AI oriented, right? The other person is saying assets. मैं assets कैसे बनाऊँ, property कैसे बनाऊँ, right? She is saying कि मैं adjust कहाँ करूँ, right? See, it's again the description, the perception of the person. But here now, when we are coming to this age and time, if I say, and I think you will not say it wrong, if I say that A stands for appreciation. Right? A stands for acknowledgement. What are these things? These things are felt. Felt how? It is really good feeling, right? When somebody appreciates her or acknowledges. I'm taking only two words, okay? There are so many words which starts with A. But here, it is A stands for appreciation. Somebody appreciates you. What is the feeling? It's a good feeling, right? Yes? Can you express that? Can you touch that? No. Apple हम लोग touch कर सकते थे, taste कर सकते थे, feel कर सकते थे. But यहाँ पे appreciation हम लोग सिर्फ feel करते हैं. ये क्यों difference आ गया है? Why this difference here? Why this drastic difference? Because we have grown, right? We have, over the time we have grown. We have learned from the surroundings. We have learned from our upbringing. We have learned from our peers. Right? And that learning has brought to the sense कि हर एक चीज टच नहीं कर सकते, वे फील करना भी जरूरी है. तो upskilling is something like that thing. Reskilling is, you will realize the meaning of upskilling and reskilling when you are appreciated with your skills. And how many of us are here who really want to be appreciated with the level of skills we have? All of us, no doubt. Right? All of us, each one of us who is sitting over. If I say yes, good job. What? Because you have appreciated your skill sets, right? So I would really love to hear it from someone, somebody is appreciating me in that way. Today's session, as sir has already taken a call on that. That is one of the wonderful topic to talk about, to discuss about, to argue about, right? And we can come to one conclusion: yes, this is the need of the hour. We need to do it, right? Thank you, sir, for choosing this particular topic, and was really glad to talk on this first. Right? Great audience, of course. So before I go with my presentation, I would just like to say it is definitely a technological era, right? Can we think ourselves without technology? एक मिनट के लिए सोचो, पॉसिबल नहीं है. एक बार का हम लोग रील स्किप कर सकते हैं, बट इंस्टाग्राम का, फेसबुक का, लिंक्डइन का अपडेट नहीं भूलना है. लिंक्डइन का I don't know, बट इंस्टा को नहीं भूलना है, right? So what is that we are doing? What is that? We are reskilling or upskilling here. We are doing that also is reskilling, upskilling. Huh? I'm not saying you are doing a waste of time or something. No, you are using all the possible technology. Instagram is giving every now and then. They are changing from beta to this, right? And we are actually using it. When are we going to use it? When you know about it. How are you going to know it? When you learn about it. When you use it. And we are all doing it. So किसी ने अगर आपको बोला कि रीस्किल करो, अपने आप को अपडेट करो, भाई तो with time I'll do everything. But time कब है? This is the time. This is the time we need to update it, right? Now that is the other thing. Now about the academics and all, like if you see the case studies of AT&T, then Amazon and all, like what these big companies are doing. Who was the first company to introduce Six Sigma in the company? At a very early age. Any clue? Which was the company who was introduced Six Sigma in the company? I know everybody knows Six Sigma, right? Yes, guys? Which was the company? Which was the company? It was Motorola. Yeah, it was Motorola who started that Six Sigma in that company. What was the need? That was the thing. But now now and then everybody is coming up with some other kind of innovations and all. And today's date, when you want to reskill or upskill yourself, you should see that. What is the end result of this? Reskilling and upskilling? You are introducing your own self as a skill set person, right? You will be more creative. And what is introduced and what is required in the industry today? What is required? Skill set. Skill set is right. Creativity is required. Creativity comes with skills, right? Creativity is involved, required. So, what is that? So, whenever you are going for any kind of interview or something, if I am on the panel and all, the first question that comes to my mind is, of course, why should I hire you? What is that extra you want to give to me, right? Yes, if I am paying you around 15 lakhs per package, right? What should be the returns of that to my company? It should be 100% or more than 200, more than that, the returns to the company. Right? But how are you going to give the returns to me? You need to, of course, upskill yourself or reskill yourself. Right? Yes? So that is that. Can I go to the next one? So if you see this particular AI shockwave, there is a shockwave with the AI, right? It is a shock to all of us, right? Everything is like general. We have just thought of it earlier, and now we are already practicing it. Right? We just thought of it and we are already into that. Right? So here if you see 300 million jobs transformed by 2027 transformation. You are at that particular time now. We all are there. Right? There is a lot of transformation. What is transformation? I cannot stick to saying that I am into general management, I am into HR, I am into BA or I am into operations, right? Yes? Can you say that much and be adamant of that I am only going to work on this particular area? Can you say that? No, you are not supposed to say that. Right? If you don't know also, yes, accept that fact, yes, I don't know and I am ready to learn. Because there is a transformation going to take place. It is already taking place now. And when you are going to go out in the field, you know how many of MBAs are going to come along with you? Do you have the count? Do you know what is the upgradation they have done? Do you know what are the certifications they have done? What is the difference between you and them? This is again you need to study. This is again risky. You need to do that. Okay? So when you know that there is a transformation, job transformation going to take place, there is a need of reskilling and upskilling here. 1 billion workers needing new roles by 2030. New roles. What is that? New roles. If I say I am a salesperson now, marketing person, marketing expert. Marketing expert is not at all of any value now. I want someone who do the analysis of the market. Analyst मुझे चाहिए, सब numbers में मुझे facts and figures के साथ मुझे चाहिए. तब जाके मैं मानूँ आपको you are doing right. For that what you need to do? Business analytics. Business analytics करने से होगा क्या? सिर्फ taking up specialization as a business analytics. Are you going to become an analyst there? No. Just because you have opted for that specialization, you are not going to become the analyst there. You need to practice it. You need to transform that into you need to eat that. You need to digest that. Then only things will come out. Then that will reflect in your body language as well. And then the things will move around. So you know that the facts are same here. 300 million jobs are going to be transformed from 27, and there is 1 million workers who needs total transformation from their job transformations, right? So next one. So when it comes next, I have already touched on this particular slide, and I think Sir also is next. This is a small case study. I got it from your AT&T. What is AT&T? Have you heard about this company? Guys, you need to Google it now. Once at the end of the day, if something you don't know, you should feel that guilt, or they should pinch you. It happens with me, no? Like if my 4 friends are standing together, and if I join them, they are talking on some topic, and I am not able to connect to that, it really hurts me very badly. And I won't get a good night's sleep that day, for sure. I don't get a good night's sleep until I read about it, learn about it, write about it, and then I will sleep. And next day morning, yes, I am ready to speak on that as well. Right? That should be the urge. That should be urge. So that is worth something. So this is something case study AT&T does. So AT&T is a telecommunication company in the US. Okay, please go and do more research on that. What is the other location they are into? Because never know, someday you will end up with this company. Right? So it's better to know that before. Right? So massive transaction at AT&T is 12,000 employees successfully shifted to high growth areas like AI ops, then cybersecurity and cloud engineering. How many? 12,000 employees. All of a sudden switching to all these platforms. Right? What is the cost efficiency to the company here? The company realized around $115 billion is saved externally hiring costs within just 2 years. See the cost, saving the cost of the company. और कौन सी कंपनी खुश नहीं होगी जितना cost save हो रहा है? Obvious, right? Which companies? And the best beautiful part to place is the last one. Internal surveys that shows 22% rise in the company's employee satisfaction. Employee satisfaction is what? That is nothing but something called as the retention policy of the company. Right? They have retained that beautiful 12,000 employees with them, skilled employees who know the end-to-end operation of the company. See the magic? Just switching from one platform to another platform. They did take a risk. Yes or no? AT&T took risk or no? Yes, they took a big risk. But still, there is a satisfaction. And then the same employee who has been given this particular platform will think 10 times before putting down his or her papers to the company. Isn't it? This is the case study. See, that's such a beautiful thing. Right? AT&T is done. Yes? So there are so many other case studies as well. Who is Vishal? I keep on asking such kind of questions in between, okay? Have you heard about Vishal?
Ex-employee of Infosys.
Ex-employee of
Infosys.
Yeah, you are right, but he couldn't sustain for more time, right? The XYZ reasons, right? Because he was not initially from this like Infosys. He was with SAP, SAP. And suddenly he was brought in by Krishnamurti in Infosys. But he could not sustain there. Reasons why, find out that thing. You have the upskilling and reskilling. That is connected. That's the reason I'm telling you all. I'm giving you a hint so that it becomes a food for thought for you all and go back home and do that for me. Right? What happened with Cyrus Mistry? What happened with Cyrus? He was a young blood. He was introduced with Tata by Tata, right? Ratan Tata. And all of a sudden, what happened? All of a sudden, he brought in so many changes into the system. And Tata, being an employee-oriented company, right? They could not digest the changes immediately. Yes? They couldn't. You all know Cyrus Mistry? Yes, all of you. Right? He's no more. No, he's no more with us. But yes, he has given a big lesson for every one of us. He was just a dynamic person, though he took very harsh decision on the part of Tata. But it was in the benefit of the organization. But many people did not understand it, and he himself had to take a step back. See, upskilling may go other way also. It may go other way also. But he wanted to bring in some changes, technological changes and all. But the people or the employees who were there from last 20, 30 years in Tata, they couldn't digest this. And that's the reason why he couldn't change the system. And he had to take a step back. Vishal Sikka, same thing happened. But what about Vishal Sikka? I'm not explaining. You take it as a homework for you. Right? So, see, I'm telling you, reskilling, upskilling will benefit also, may not benefit also. But doing the right things, looking into the circumstances, will surely benefit. Right? Okay. From manual to digital, the human upgrade. So, being from HR, I always talk about the HR perspective. Right? How many are from HR here? Okay. Be confident, you should be proud of your specialization. Come on, raise your hands, come on. Yeah, you're going to deal with the human beings who are going to operate this AI and all. Come on. I'm also from HR. I feel proud. See, we learn the behavior of the person, we learn the perspective of the person, you know, like, और AI ना सब किस पे built up है मुझे बताओ. We are going to. I have seen people using AI ChatGPT, but they are not able to give the prompt. You know it? It's such a disaster. यार अपने behavior change करो, अपनी सोच change करो, तब जाके AI use करो. They are not able to give the prompt. But मुझे करना है. See, I am blunt, okay? I talk like this. So don't take it in person, right? But I'm telling the facts. But before that, and before using AI, at least know how to compile a question to AI, right? That's something called as prompt to the AI, and then you will get the right results. Otherwise, you will end up in disaster for sure, right? Okay, I think my colleagues will second that with me.
So they are asking AI, please give me a prompt.
Prompt. Yeah, that is what. Yeah, ये भी possibility है. हो सकता है. Yes. So, when I'm talking about HR, I'm talking about the perspective of the person, like for what purpose are you going to use, and the perspective of the person who is developing this AI also. Okay? The behavior of the person, the perspective of the person, the attitude of the person, why this particular platform is particular initialized. Okay? That thing. Okay. The new learning landscape is AI-driven personalization. This is what we are going to be now. So, I actually in my college I just make it sure that my faculties are using it in the class, showing videos and like using smart boards and all. Like we have a smart board here as well. That's required, okay? That's required, and I make it sure it happens in my class. We all my faculty, 3-4 faculty, go and sit in the class along with the students to learn from the other faculty what she or he is teaching to all of us. That's a peer learning. We do that. So that is AI-driven kind of a platform. How many know MOOCs? Sir, you are into that. Yes, good. How many of you know MOOCs? LinkedIn learning? Learning, जहाँ पे हम certifications करते हैं. Sujit sir, you have done a lot. You are talking. He is like शुद्ध मराठी सांगितलं त्यातले किडा आहे ते किडा. He knows each and everything from that. I've worked with this person and know him very well, and you have very good hands-on, sir. I'm telling you. You make the best use of Sujit, sir. He's the best source for you. So, what is going to happen here is AI-driven facilities. Coursera is like there are massive open online courses. MOOCs, that is called as MOOCs. Okay, we get lot of get certified yourself there, right? LinkedIn Learning is giving you, Coursera is giving you. There are so many other platforms who are going to give you these things. Do that. It's not somebody coming and teaching you. Wait for them in the class. As it is, you don't want like to come in the classes these days. I know that XYZ reasons, right? But understand the pain the faculty has taken, and they have come up with so many brilliant ideas to front of you, so that and they are using technology to come to you, right? So many things are there. So then Coursera is there. Then portable micro credentials like Google career certificates are there. Do these things, you know, like it's not mandatory that my friend is not doing, so I will not do. Rather, you should your friend is not doing it, then you do it. Right? You do it. It is going to help you only as a person. At the end of the day, your CV will be more appreciated than the comparatively. Right? So you do it. There are so many short courses to it, especially for the HR analytics and business analytics. There are so many digital marketing, so many courses available on MOOCs. Right? Please do it. Then of course virtual labs are there, wherein the zero cost free maintenance. I guess my people who are very much into technical terms, they will explain it more to you. But yes, this is what you need to do. This is something that's a landscape for you guys who can think about doing more about using AI into the platforms. Right? Yes, next. Then Google certificate courses. And this is another case study. Google model demonstrates the power of democratizes fast-track education in closing this industry gap. Okay. Global research was, global reach was over 1 lakh graduates worldwide as of 2024, with an average salary increase of $15,000. What was that? Global reach was how many? 1 lakh graduates were targeted there. Right. Second, what happened? Direct pipeline was there. Strategic partnership with giants like Walmart and Target ensure high quality interview pipelines for the graduates. So they were again outsourced to different companies. कौन outsource कर रहा है? Who is outsourcing it? Google is outsourcing it to these companies. So you have already 4 big tags along with you. Understand the power behind this. Right? Then which company will stop hiring you? When you have all these 3 tags or 4 tags, brilliant tags with you, right? And lastly, the efficiency, accessible at about how many? Can you read it out? Yes, that was the output. So do these courses. It's available free of cost. Do these courses because at the end of the day, you know that you are paying fees, you are giving your presentations. Right, you're going for exams, everything is said and done. Right, you're going to get the university this also mark sheets and your degree also. Right, but like you, there are so many, right? Like you, there are so many who are coming up with these particular credentials. What is something different in you that why the company should hire you? Right, so this is something different. You need to create for yourself, pamper yourself with this. It's nothing but pampering only, right? Pamper yourself with this. Yes, next one. So, playbook for the MBA leaders for tomorrow. Then 15 minutes sprint you need to do, wherein embed start daily learning rituals. Every day something new. 15 minutes खुद के लिए spend करो. 15 minutes, not more than that. Okay. Then AI skill mapping. कल मैंने ये सीखा था. I am going to learn this today. Right? So you need to map these 2 things. Right? Whether it is aligned or not. If it is not aligned, don't do it. Do something which is aligned. Otherwise, you will reach nowhere. If you do it something in alignment, then only there is a destination for that. Otherwise, there is a danger. And then ecosystem partnerships are there, wherein integrate from like Coursera, there can be done on that. Right? This is something skill mapping thing. So every day, 15 minutes for yourself on the basis of technology. Right? Our frequency of going on Insta and LinkedIn is more than this, isn't it? I'm not saying don't go there. I'm not against it because I be appreciated to this. Right? I'm not denying the fact. But I do spend at least 1 hour for myself to see that what different I can do for my organization, what different I can do for myself. Right? So for that reason, it is again upgradation. But late, I got to know it very late. Right or no? We got to know it very late rather. आपको इतनी जल्दी मतलब like in this age you're getting to know that these things are available at a click's distance. Nobody will stop you by doing or having that on your book, right? Yes, yes. Then skill gap adder, measure current capability skills, right? You should know what exactly your skills gap. Do a SWOT analysis. We have been doing this. SWOT analysis is a beautiful thing, right? Beautiful thing. Right? Do a SWOT analysis of it. That there you identify the gaps, your weaknesses more, then your strengths. Then you should see that in next time for emergency है भाई अभी बचना चाहिए silent, right? Yes. So you need to convert this particular weaknesses to strength immediately. I guess you are in the first, second semester, most of you are, and maybe like 4th semester, right? Right. Now it's like पता भी नहीं चलेगा ऐसे एक साल तो निकल गया, it's all तो फिर वो भी पता नहीं चलेगा कितनी जल्दी निकल जाएगा, right? So you should be little fast. Then curriculum co-creation, design learning with all the stakeholders. So get in touch with your peers, talk to them. Right? There are mentors, there are faculties, there are systems over here. They can and demand from the director. I do like sir. I tell my students, I go inside a class and tell my students कि हमसे डिमांड करो तब हम लोग को प्रोवाइड करें. हमें किसे पता चले कि आपको क्या चाहिए, राइट? जब हम लोग पढ़ाने के लिए क्लास में तुम लोग आए हो, राइट? Yes. And when we are asking you what you want from us, you are not going to tell us. So demand from us. We will bring extra resource from outside, and we will let you know that this is the thing, this is required, and you will do it. So do it from the stakeholders, right? Then the rapid development, launch modular fast pilots, and impact dashboard. That dashboard तो रखना ही पड़ेगा. To know what is your timeline. Timeline पता है ना? Timeline पता है कि नहीं? Then don't use this social this one. If you don't know what is timeline, stop using Instagram, stop using this thing, LinkedIn. If you are not aware of timeline, how many film timeline? और एक ना अपने साथ एक कॉपी और एक पेन रखा करो हमेशा. You know that I know that our brain is already loaded with so many things. Note down things. Note करने के बाद what happens? That note will not allow you to be at peace. That will make you restless. Please do that. That is for yourself. Yes, next. Let us go to the next. Call for action. Design your roadmap today itself, right? For upskilling and reskilling. Then launch 90-day pilot cohort for yourself or a group of like-minded individuals. Sit not alone. If you are not comfortable alone, take help of your like-minded friends. Right? Sit together and do it. Set a target for a thing. It may be 20 days, 21 days, 50 days, 90 days. Courses are in that slots also. Sit along with that and do it. That is for your course. Define your 3 course KPIs, right? Where acquisition, mobility, and ROI is included. What is ROI? Guys, what is ROI?
Return of interest.
Huh?
Return of interest.
Sorry?
Return of interest.
Return of interest? Come on, मुझे बताओ. Yeah. Now there is a need. Big need. There's a gap. Okay? I just asked the question. Okay? No, you know the answer. What is my answer with that? Okay? So there's a gap. Okay. So coming to ensure organization accountability also. So something is that you have already taken a mission. You are accountable for the name of this particular prestigious college as well. Right? So you should be proud, and even the college should be proud saying, yes, this student is my student. To be very frank, yesterday night again, one more student of mine came all the way home to tell me that he has joined Syngenta, one of the biggest company, right? It was his dream company, and the first semester and the first day I asked him, what is your dream company? That was the company's name he had mentioned, and today, after completing his fourth semester, he took one more call in serving in one small company where he understood end-to-end operations, and now he has lately joined Syngenta. And he all the way coming to my place and telling me, Prachanda, I have got that. This is something nice, right? You feel proud. You should make yourself proud, and then obviously the surrounding will be proud of you. Right? And for that, you need to do reskilling and upskilling for sure. Okay, next one. That's all from my side. If you have any questions, one or two, you can just ask me. Yeah, please.
Ecosystem partnership.
Ecosystem partnership. Okay. See, ecosystem partnership. In what sense you are asking me?
I understand. What is समजलंच नाही.
कुठल्या संदर्भात कुठल्या संदर्भात?
Ecosystem.
Ecosystem, if I'm not wrong, it is like getting into collaborations, right? So where it is helping both the parties. It's coming into an understanding, right? It is, see, like suppose now, what does Reliance does, tell me first of all? अगर उनको कुछ लॉन्च करने वाले लोग क्या करते हैं? Very smart people. What they do? They generate the need. क्या करते हैं? Need generate करते हैं. कैसे करते हैं? पहले before Jio came, we had the same idea, Vodafone, everything was there, right? Suddenly, Reliance came down, free, right? And we were in queues to get that same, isn't it? Human tendency, right? There is nothing wrong in that. It's human tendency. Right? What were they doing? They were creating the ecosystem. Right? They were creating the ecosystem to ensure that the end customers tomorrow who are going to be handicapped without me, I'm attracting their attention today. You understand? That is, we are coming to that understanding here. Kalko bhai, you will need me only. This kind of ecosystem they are coming. Got it? Yes? Anything? Okay? Yeah? That's all from my side. Thank you. Seriously?
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable insights. Now we will have the refreshment break for 15 minutes. I request all of you to be seated on your places. Refreshments will be served here.
नहीं, आपण